So I'm going to show you how to make this kind of box. Hello. Woo! So first take any kind of cereal box that you, any kind. So then you make hole, or you can just use something to cut this. So you cut this down here, to side here and up here. But you cannot cut this side, okay? And at the back here, since there's nothing, I actually cut this. It was here, and then I cut it out. So then you're done. What else? Hello. Uh-oh. There. And so this is just a short video. So bye.